Hey, welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're talking about AJ159 APEX, a budget gaming mouse that's been making some noise lately. It's got a 42,000 DPI sensor, a magnetic charging dock, and even a customizable display. Sounds crazy for the price, right? But we're here to break it all down. What's good, what's not, and whether it's actually worth your money. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check them out if you're interested. The AJ159 APEX keeps things simple but clean. No honeycomb shell, just a smooth, solid finish that fits different grip styles. It weighs only around 56 grams, so it's super light and easy to move. The switches are Huano green shell white dot transparent, rated for 100 million clicks, which means this mouse is built to last through long gaming sessions. Performance-wise, this thing is packing the PixArt PAW3950 sensor with up to 42,000 DPI. That's more than enough for pretty much any gamer, whether you're playing casually or competitively. It works in wired mode, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. You also get an 8,000 Hz polling rate, which gives you smooth tracking and near zero input delay, especially in wireless mode, and that's impressive at this price point. You've got 5 programmable buttons and RGB lighting that you can customize through Ajazz's software. The dock is a standout feature. It's magnetic for easy charging and has a screen that shows the time, date, and even animated GIFs. It's not just functional, it's actually kinda cool. The software also lets you set macros and adjust DPI profiles. Battery life is solid. It comes with a 400 mAh battery, and thanks to power-saving features, you can game for days before needing a recharge. When it's time to power up, the dock makes it simple. It usually charges up in 2 to 3 hours. For a wireless mouse with this much going on, that's a pretty efficient setup. Using the AJ159 feels smooth and natural, especially for claw and fingertip grips. It's comfortable, lightweight, and easy to control, but not everything's perfect. A few users mentioned that the stock skates feel a bit scratchy on some surfaces. Swapping them out with aftermarket ones can help. There are also occasional firmware bugs, but Ajazz pushes updates, so that's something to keep an eye on. For around $50, the value here is undeniable. You're getting a top-tier sensor, a high polling rate, wireless charging, and a customizable dock, all in one package. Sure, there are some quality control hiccups, so buying from a store with a good return policy is smart. But if you get a good unit, it punches way above its price class. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them.